super fun. When we're not working on the house, this is what we're doing. A few years ago, we decided to quit the rat race and venture down a completely unfamiliar path in life. We sold almost all of our possessions, renovated a camper van, and toured the US looking for a piece of land to start our journey. After almost 2 years, we found our piece of paradise in the Pacific Northwest, and Pacific Pines Ranch was born. Follow along as we chase our dreams to build an off-grid shipping container home and to see our projects and adventures along the way. As we like to say on the ranch, the joy is in the journey. Replacing the spark plugs today. Super fun. When we're not working on the house, this is what we're doing. Teamwork. So we got one done right here. Now we need to do the other 4 on this side and then go over on the other side. Every time that we work on our cars, I feel like it's a little bit of like a contortion act and or like yoga to see like how you can bend yourself to undo parts and put the parts back after that you undo them. So yeah, it's when it helps to have skinny hands, you know. That's my job typically when we work on stuff, is to fit my hand where it's hard to reach and get stuff out.
See now the same, huh? Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's see if I can get down from here.
Let's see one more time. Okay, 18.
Very important. Don't forget to do the torque on all your automotive stuff.
You should tell to your subscriber the good torque for an H2. It's 15 for aluminum head and 22 for iron head.
Yeah.
And the gap for the spark plug is 0.04
inches. It's like 100 something millimeters. Yeah, and if you don't know, just call your nearest dealer and they should be able to tell you that information rather than spending hours Googling torque specs online, which
and get wrong information.
and get wrong info, which we have done in the past. So learn from our mistakes. Can you see in there?
I don't know. Me, yeah, but
Yeah.
I don't know if you can.
No. No, I cannot.
So we are also changing the coil.
Oh, this is like you can loosen it by hand. "10 hours later." Don't have good access.
For all the people that like clean engine. Little bit of cost corrosion.
Don't hate on us. We don't have a garage yet, okay? Oh, all right. Number 1.
Numero 1.
I gotta do the top one. Oh, this one's already loose too.
So we did 2.
2 out of 4 on the side. Also, these little
Perfect. Okay.
these lights, these headlamps.
Oh, they help so much.
Are a game changer. Okay.
Cool. Nice. All right. Do you want to pull the?
Okay. Hold on, I don't want to knock
the wire?
this off. Yeah. This is like just balancing.
Yeah,
here.
that's okay.
It's fine.
Yeah.
This is how you check the gap of your spark plugs with this tool, although we both have our headlamps, so it's like hard to see. But this is how you use, I think ours is in, let me see, inches. So
all good.
and we good.
Okay. Very important step.
Adding some anti-seize goo. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but one of my fears is dropping all of the tiny parts into the engine and just having them be lost like everywhere in there. So every time that we work on stuff together and we have like all of the socket wrenches or whatever, screws or bolts or whatever, just like sitting on the side of the car, I'm always so scared that they're all gonna fall into the depths of the engine. So fingers crossed that don't happen. Last one on this side. So we got those 3 done. That's the last one over there. Call an ambulance. We have a casualty.
It's actually a better anti-seize for the spark plug. That worked very well.
So, one side down, all 4 installed, and now we're gonna go work on the other side. Wish us luck. So as you can see, I'm up here doing car yoga, mechanic yoga. And so we got, the side is pretty hard to see, but we got 2 spark plugs done. This one right here, and the ignition coils too, changed those. This one and that one, and now we're working on these 2 back here, which are like pretty complicated to reach, which as you can see, Viant, he's over there going by the gap in the wheel well right there. So
Let's see, can we reach him?
can we do it? To be continued.
No chance.
All right, we're on the last spark plug.
Oh, sorry.
This one we have to adjust it a little bit because it's a little bit bigger than what we need.
Shit. Oh. Let's see. That's good.
Okay.
4.
This one is super hard to access, as you can see. Gotta go into the wheel well to show you. up in there.
Good. Let's try to move the porte now.
Look at me right now. I'm in the wheel well.
Now let's try to move the torque.
Okay, yeah. There it is. Up in there. Oop.
Oh, sorry.
All right, the moment of truth. Please work. Oh, the battery. Oh my god. The battery is disconnected. 3, 2, 1, go! And we're off. Are you proud of your work?
Oh, thank you, baby. Teamwork.
Teamwork. Teamwork.
We went pretty well, except for the little exhaust leak. But
Yeah. We're working on the exhaust leak, so, I mean, well, not now, but
when we have
another
the
time.
garage.
Yeah. We got all the, oh god, it's impossible to see, but underneath these hoses right here, we have all of the new spark plugs and ignition coils. Same on the other side. So that's a wrap, and it was a success. My first time replacing spark plugs, so.
Cool. Good job, baby.